In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales CRM page in Notion. We're going to build a simple, practical sales pipeline that helps you keep track of leads, prospects, and clients in one organized place. The goal here is to make your sales process easier to manage so you can quickly see where every deal stands and what needs your attention next. Start by creating a dedicated sales CRM page in Notion. This will be the main workspace where your pipeline lives. Keeping everything on one page makes it much easier to review your activity, stay organized, and avoid losing track of important opportunities. Next, add a database to this page for your leads, prospects, and clients. This database will act as the core of your CRM. Each entry represents one deal or contact you're tracking. By putting everything into a structured database, you create a system that's easy to sort, filter, and update over time. Once the database is in place, add the key fields you'll need to manage your sales process. Include a field for the company name, the main contact, the deal value, the current stage, and the follow-up date. These fields give you the essential information at a glance. The company and contact fields help you know who the opportunity is tied to. The deal value helps you track potential revenue. The stage shows where the deal is in the process, and the follow-up date makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. After that, create your sales stages. A simple setup works best for most teams, so use stages like new lead, contacted, proposal, won, and lost. These stages reflect the journey from first contact to final outcome. Keeping your stages clear and consistent makes the pipeline much easier to read and update. Now switch to a board view so you can see your deals grouped by stage. This gives you a visual pipeline where each deal can move from one column to the next as progress happens. A board view is especially useful because it helps you spot bottlenecks quickly and gives you a clear snapshot of your entire sales flow. Then add reminders or dates for follow-ups. This is one of the most important parts of a CRM because a strong pipeline only works if you actually follow up on time. Setting dates helps you stay proactive and keeps promising deals from going cold. Finally, review your pipeline regularly and update each deal as things change. A CRM is only useful when it stays current. Make it a habit to check your pipeline often, move deals to the right stage, and refresh follow-up dates so your system stays accurate and actionable. With that, you'll have a clean and effective Notion Sales CRM you can rely on every day.